So here we are, 2 years later, and I'm upgrading the exhaust system on my R18 8th gen Honda Civic yet again. About 2 years ago, I installed a Spec-D catback exhaust system, which seemed to do the trick at the time. However, it did recently fail on me. The whole goal is to have an exhaust system on my Civic that is reliable in preparation for the supercharger build series that I'm about to begin for the 8th gen R18 Honda Civic motor. I have a lot of upgrades ready to be installed in preparation for this supercharger series, but the first thing I need to do is address the catback exhaust system issue that I currently have before I can move forward with other modifications. So the first step in replacing the exhaust system is to unbolt the muffler right here. And as you can see, this upgrade couldn't come any sooner because my current exhaust system looks like it broke off down right before the resonator area. I'm gonna take a 14 millimeter and loosen the bolts and nuts by hand first, just to make sure that I don't have any issues with the thread stripping. And this may be harder than normal just because my exhaust system is broken. There's one. There's two. Here is the section that broke off. Here's the last section of the catback exhaust system, and I'm going to have 3 nuts in order to remove the last portion of the catback exhaust system from the vehicle. Here is a quick comparison between the exhaust setups as far as the hangers are concerned. The Spec-D exhaust only has one set of hangers by the muffler section, whereas Yonaka has their hangers set up by both the muffler section and the back side of the axle back exhaust piping. And then over here we have our resonator or mid-pipe section, I guess, whatever you want to call it. This is the Spec-D. Here is the Yonaka one. As you can tell really quickly, you can see how the hanger on the Spec-D catback exhaust is off at an angle. And while it's a little hard to show on the floor, you can also see the Yonaka exhaust hanger is a little more in line with where the hanger on the body sits. So once I get this on, I'll show you how it sits underneath the vehicle just to verify that it does exactly what I need it to do and keep tension off of the exhaust system. And then finally we have our straight pipe section leading to the front pipe of the exhaust. This one's Spec-D and this one is Yonaka's. It looks like they have a longer resonator built into the straight pipe section, and the straight pipe section is shorter than the Spec-D catback exhaust version.
This is madness. This is
That's going to do it for this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below and I'll make sure to get to them as soon as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as I'm about to begin my supercharger build series for the R18 8th Gen Honda Civic. And make sure to smash that like button if you thought this video was useful. I appreciate your time and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.
This is madness.